Hi everyone, this is Sam from The Fine Life, and today we're going to unpack the Michael Kors business briefcase, with the model is called
Bryant large leather briefcase.
And how much does it retail for?
It's $498.
Okay, so this business briefcase is for almost $500, which is an absolutely amazing price for this kind of a large size briefcase. We got it on sale from the Michael Kors website for around
$190.
Exactly, $190. So it's a good option to buy from the website from Michael Kors, because they always have some sort of discounts from time to time. Okay, so this is how it looks like, the bag itself. It looks very nice with a brownish color. And we received it actually in a box, but we took the box out, so it's fully covered, as you can see. And here is the price, $498. We didn't pay the full price, as I was saying, since we got it from the website. And so let's go. Okay, so here we go. Now let's take this off. So this bag is quite large. There's also the small and the medium size, but I like the large one, because whenever I go on business meetings I can take a lot of stuff in it, like in my laptop and iPad and phones and stuff like this. So in particular, you cannot really see this, but the leather itself, it looks really sturdy, and I like the texture of it, because it's quite textured leather. So over here we have one compartment. It's the first compartment we have. Let's take this out. As you can see, there's a compartment over here where you can put any, like, something you want to grab quickly out of it. It's magnetic, so if you leave it, it goes like this. And here's a Michael Kors tag attached to it. I think this is the name of the bag itself. It's called the Bryant luggage LG briefcase leather. And here you have one small zipper compartment. Yeah, it's quite large inside, so you can put something if you'd like to get something very quickly out of it, like your phone or something like this. And it is for the main thing, the main compartment. As you can see, everything is well packed inside, so nothing is damaged. And I think this will be the strap or something. Let's have a look. No, it's nothing. It's just a carton, piece of carton. And more padding inside. Not sure if there's something inside it or not. Do you think there's something inside?
Maybe this is the plastic to put it in, like a cover thing?
No, I think it's just more paper.
Okay, just to keep it safe.
Yeah. It will be kind of messy in here now. Just want to make sure I don't mess anything up. Looks like just paper. Alright. And more padding. Padding. Sounds like Paddington. Okay. It's fine. Alright, yeah, here is the cloth bag you said about. Yeah.
That's the most important thing.
Yeah. So this bag over here, so if you would like to stow your bag for some time,
Yeah.
you can cover it. So it's like a dust cover. If you want to keep it later on.
To protect it from
It's
scratch
like a protection for dust cover. If you're traveling, you want to, after using, you want to keep it. It's quite large. Let's see if it will fit.
Yep.
It should fit.
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's fitting quite well. As you can see over here.
Perfect. That's cool.
By the way, guys, we're not sponsored by Michael Kors by any way possible.
I
So
wish
if-
we are.
Yeah, we should be actually. Michael Kors, you should sponsor us.
Yeah, I'm
Because
buying a
we're
lot of
going-
stuff.
Yeah, we're going to also unbox a lot or unpack a lot of stuff from Michael Kors. It's one of our favorite luxury brands. And so this is the dust bag over here. Put it on the side. If you can come closer. So as you can see, there is one compartment over here. I think this one is for your iPad. It's really large. Texture inside looks really expensive and comfortable actually. It's really nice, yeah. It's a big area over here. You can put your laptop. There's two areas. Maybe here is a laptop and here maybe small, some sort of an iPad. And here's, let me take this off. You can close it like this. And here you have one compartment for your phone. I don't think my phone will fit over here. It's a Note 9, but we'll manage. Okay, Michael Kors, if you're hearing us, you need like a bigger compartment over here for the new phones. Most of the people right now using like big phones.
Yeah.
And here is a small one. I think it's like you put your pen,
pen.
yeah, or something like this. If you have an expensive pen you're worried about. And I think this one, yeah.
The leather strap.
Yeah, I think it is a strap here, over here. Just take this one out.
Should I get the sausage?
Just خليك في كب.
Yeah.
Okay, here we are. Let's take this one out. And this one also out. So again, yeah, we will take it out. Everything. So this is quite large, as you can see. There's a strap. It's really nice. You know, I wish you would be able maybe to sense the leather as I'm doing right now. It feels really good. Maybe they should invent something like this. A camera that you can smell or sense to it. Who knows? Leather strap. It looks quite good. And here you have the Michael Kors sign, if you can see. If you can zoom to this, here's the Michael Kors sign. Okay, and I think you can extend it from here. Let's carry on. So more inside, just more padding, and yeah. Not sure what is this for.
Let me see. No, this is.
Okay guys, so suddenly our camera just went, dead on us. So anyway, this is the final look of the Michael Kors bag. As you can see from here, looks really nice with the strap and everything. So you can carry it in both ways. Either you can carry it light in the hand. Okay, let's see who is this. Just pose. Okay, sorry guys, more interruption. It was our subway guy. So anyway, so as you can see over here, this is the final product. You can carry it from the handles like this, if you wish, with a Michael Kors sign, and here is for the name tag. We can come closer to see it. Yeah, everything looks really nice.
Amazing.
Or you can carry it from the strap like this, like so, and go to work in style. So, and as I was saying, this is the final product over here from Michael Kors, the Bryant large briefcase, 100% leather in brown. And by the way, this was a present for my birthday from my lovely wife. Thank you very much for this.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Thank you very much. And if you like this video, finally, just please hit the like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and just click over the button for the bell one so you can get notified whenever you have videos coming. We have a lot of videos coming through later on for unpacking with Michael Kors for men as well as for women, bags, shoes, a lot of other stuff. We are have also some videos we're going to display about our Europe and Asia trip. We've been to Paris, London,
Hong Kong, Bangkok,
Barcelona, Bangkok,
Singapore.
lots of stuff. So we're going to have a lot of videos coming, so stay tuned. And finally, if you really appreciate our videos and would like to support us, please consider booking your next hotel stay through our website, www.thefinelife.com. You will book through us and then will be forwarded to booking.com. You'll pay the same prices of booking.com, but we are getting some small commission which is going to help us to support this channel and keep it going if you like it. Anyway, thank you very much and
Thank you.
keep in touch.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.